Welcome to Mr. Complete, where curiosity meets reality and ambition turns into income. What if the next $1 million business idea is actually simple, not complicated, not revolutionary, not created by a genius scientist, just simple? Because some of the biggest businesses in history started from ordinary ideas, selling books online, sharing short videos, delivering food faster, simple ideas. But those ideas created billions. Today, we're exposing one of the biggest myths about success. You do not need a complicated idea to become wealthy. You need execution. And today, we'll explore how people become rich from simple ideas. Part 1. Most people overcomplicate success. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing success must be extremely complicated. So they overthink endlessly, waiting for the perfect idea, the perfect timing, the perfect plan. Meanwhile, successful people often start with small, simple solutions, because simplicity scales faster than complexity. Part 2. Simple ideas solve real problems. The best businesses usually solve basic human problems: convenience, speed, entertainment, communication, saving time. That's why simple businesses become powerful, because humans constantly pay for easier solutions, and smart entrepreneurs understand this deeply. Part 3. Execution matters more than ideas. Millions of people have ideas. Very few execute consistently. That's the real difference. An average idea executed properly can outperform a brilliant idea never started. Successful people take action quickly. They improve while moving, not while overthinking endlessly. Part 4. The United States opportunity economy. In the United States today, people are becoming wealthy through incredibly simple businesses: video editing agencies, social media management, online coaching, AI services, content creation, digital products. Some businesses begin with only a laptop, a phone, one skill. That's what makes modern opportunities so powerful. Part 5. Fear stops most people from starting. Many people secretly have business ideas, but fear kills action. Fear of failure, judgment, embarrassment, low results. So instead of starting small, they do nothing. Meanwhile, others begin imperfectly and learn through experience. That's how businesses grow. Part 6. Small ideas can scale massively. One small idea repeated at scale becomes huge. For example, a simple editing service agency, a small content page brand, a basic online product global business. That's why starting small is not weakness. It's how most successful businesses begin. Part 7. Technology made simplicity more powerful. The internet made it easier than ever to scale simple ideas. One video can reach millions. One digital product can sell worldwide. One service can attract global clients. Technology amplified opportunity massively. That's why ordinary people now have extraordinary potential. Part 8. People buy emotion, not complexity. Businesses often succeed emotionally. Humans buy things that create convenience, hope, entertainment, confidence, relief. That's why simple ideas can become powerful financially, because emotional value matters more than complexity. Part 9. Consistency creates momentum. Most successful entrepreneurs were not instantly successful. They improved gradually, learning from mistakes, adapting constantly, continuing when results felt slow. That consistency creates momentum, and momentum creates growth. Most people quit too early to experience that process. Part 10. The real truth. People become rich from simple ideas because success usually comes from solving problems, taking action, staying consistent, not from waiting for perfection. The modern world rewards creators, builders, and problem solvers heavily, and many opportunities are simpler than people realize. Final message. If you have an idea, start, even if it feels small, because small beginnings can create massive futures. Learn, improve, stay patient, and maybe the simple idea you're doubting right now could completely transform your life one day. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Mr. Complete, and comment. Simple ideas create wealth. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We talk about turning ordinary opportunities into extraordinary futures. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.